Hello there guys, Daxo Bros here. Welcome back to another video. We are about to tell you guys about some of the world's expensive spices, but before we start, take a moment and subscribe by clicking on the red button, and please like this video as it motivates us. Saffron. Do you know that saffron is by far the most expensive spice on earth, costing $2,000 to $8,000 depending on quality. It is derived from the stigma of crocus flower, and each flower has only 3 to 4 stigmas. It takes 50,000 to 75,000 flowers to produce 1 pound of dried saffron threads, equivalent to approximately 20 hours of labor, making the harvesting an extremely labor-intensive and time-consuming process. Saffron is mainly grown in Spain, Italy, Greece, India, and Iran, with the best quality saffron originating from Kashmir. These extremely valuable threads of this red gold or king of spices have been used for more than 40 centuries by the Persians, Greeks, and Romans, and this spice was deemed to be worth its weight in gold. Today, saffron is still undeniably considered a culinary troyer and used in cooking, cosmetics, staining, and medicines. It is believed to be the cure for almost 100 diseases and ailments in the Middle East and Asia. It is also used to create signature perfumes, thanks to its soft and intimate odor profile. Vanilla. The word vanilla means little pod. Considered the second most expensive spice in the world, commanding a handsome price of up to $200 per pound of vanilla beans. Vanilla is everywhere, in cookies, in ice cream, in desserts, and the majority of sweet treats. And we're not talking about artificial vanilla or vanilla extract either, but natural vanilla from Mexico and Madagascar, which produce the best quality vanilla pods possible. The plant which vanilla is harvested from is vanilla orchid. It can only grow up to 20 degrees north or south of the equator. This means that there's a very limited amount of places where it can be grown. While vanilla is naturally pollinated by specific species of bees and hummingbirds, it can only be pollinated when the flower is open. As this is for a very short length of time, you will usually find commercial vanilla being hand-pollinated. This is a labor-intensive process that requires daily harvesting, and pure vanilla extract costs approximately $2 to $3 per fluid ounce in international market. Cardamom. When is the last time you considered what was in your cup of spiced chai, earning a hefty price tag of up to $30 per pound due to their labor-intensive harvesting process? These small seed pods are not to be taken lightly. Black cardamoms are larger and tend to have a smoky aroma, used for heavily spiced dishes such as curries and biryanis. The green cardamom is pricier by weight and is used to spice the sweet dishes and add flavors to coffees, to teas, and baked goods. Green cardamoms also have medical value and are used to treat digestive disorders, gum and teeth infections, pulmonary tuberculosis, and eyelid inflammation. Cardamom is only found in Asia, especially in India, as it grows well in the warm climate. Some of the Asian dishes are incomplete without cardamom in it. There are two factors which contribute to the price of cardamom. The first is that, like saffron, you have to dedicate a massive amount of time to harvest it. The cardamom pods have to be picked individually by hands, and the second is the need of intensive labor. Clove. The intense aroma of clove are used for flavoring most Indian, African, and Middle Eastern dishes, lending its spicy flavor to meats, curries, marinades, hot beverages, and spiced cookies. In Indonesia, cloves are used in type of cigarettes called kretek. Clove trees are one of the tallest trees with nearly 50 feet in height. They cost nearly $20 per pound, especially those having high quality. Clove oil is a natural antiseptic and analgesic, which means its wide use in Indian medicine and Chinese medicine as a dental painkiller and to cure digestive problems. Native to Maluku Islands of Indonesia, cloves are also grown in Zanzibar, India, Madagascar, Pakistan, and also in the tropical Sri Lanka for several different purposes. The first reason as to why these sharp spices cost so much is the same as saffron and cardamom, which is time. Cloves also have to be picked by hands as they are only harvested when they reach a particular length. Second reason that cloves are expensive is that the trees which produce the spice have a very low yield. The tree can produce around 3 kg per year, which is very low considering that cloves can only be harvested when they are between 1.5 to 2 centimeters long. And last but not least, cinnamon. Cinnamon has been around for a long time, with the ancient Egyptians using it for its healing properties, its flavoring, its medicinal benefits, and its versatility as a precious embalming agent. Cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka. Best quality cinnamon originates from Sri Lanka, but it is also grown in India and Indonesia. In Mexico, it is used in the making of chocolate. It is mostly used in cooking in the powder form for both sweet and savory dishes. In ancient times, cinnamon was used to cure the common cold, freckles, snake bites, and kidney troubles. There are two types of cinnamon that you'll find in the shops: cassia cinnamon and Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon is the one you will probably find at a more reasonable price in the shops and as an ingredient in sweets. Ceylon cinnamon is expensive for the reason you'd probably expect. It takes a massive amount of time to produce it. It needs to be harvested and then rolled into thin layers. We anticipate that you had an enjoyable journey while going through the video and you get a lot to know about some of the world's expensive spices. Please let us know about your valuable feedback in the comment section and follow us on the social media. Links are always in the description and we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.